We spoke about PIA or the privacy impact assessment in the previous video. In this video, we are going to talk about data protection impact assessment, another kind of assessment that an organization should do to see what kind of risk they have in their business. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you daily see new content on data privacy, and as I said, we'll compare the privacy impact assessment with data protection impact assessment. It matters. Assessments do matter. They help us find out what kind of risks are we carrying, where are the gaps, are our processes perfectly as per what the process is supposed to be, or are there any gaps that we have ignored while designing the processes. So both DPIAs and the PIAs, they both protect the users as well as the business, highlighting the regulatory expectations also. Regulators may not have named the terms in some cases in some countries, but they mean the activity which gets covered under PIAs and DPIAs. So what is a PIA or a privacy impact assessment? It's reassessing your products and your processes to see what's happening in them. Are they perfect? Are they as per requirements of privacy? Identify the privacy risks in these products and services. Focus on transparency and accountability. Are the processes transparent? People able to understand them? Are there respective people who are accountable for handling the data or for anything going right or wrong? Are we respecting the user rights? And there are several voluntary methods like PIA that one should adopt to be sure that the things are mandated properly, whether internally or by the industry sector. From DPIA or data protection impact assessment point of view, these are required by regulators. Many regulators have categorically mentioned that DPIA is a required activity, provided it is more for sensitive data. The high risk profiling of the data involved helps focus more on compliances, on safety, and safeguarding the personal information. It gives you a structural approach to identify, evaluate, and mitigate. So if I compare the both of these two, then PIA is scoped towards broader user focus, where DPIA is a bit narrow, more towards compliance. PIA is optional, DPIA is mandatory for sensitive information. PIA gives an output of risk insights and recommendations, and DPIA puts on the regulatory evidence on top of it that this is what is required by the regulator. The PIAs are, for example, a website privacy check is a PIA, whereas DPIA is a biometric check if required in a given organization. When to do them? A PIA is done whenever you release a new product, a new feature, or new form of data collection from the customers. Whereas DPIA is required where there is high risk activity, profiling, biometrics involved. So any sensitive personal information involved, you should do DPIA. So as a startup, you should always start with PIAs for any new initiative that you take in your organization with respect to personal information. You should do privacy impact assessment, and you should do the data protection impact assessment if the data's volumes are large or if the data is sensitive. You should leverage automation tools available in the market that can help you perform these assessments and build audit-ready documentation right from day one. So you're prepared for audits and you have checked, evaluated possible risks in all processes right at day one. That's about PIA and its comparison with DPIA. I hope you like the content of the video. Please press the bell and the like icon. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.